Few years ago, a person came to me. He called me that I want to buy from some of the perfumes you have listed, you are selling. And he came to my home and he had 2 or 3 perfumes in his car. When he was returning, he said, if you want to check out some perfumes, just come with me. So I went into his car and he had this perfume. Si Giorgio Armani Si Passione. Italian, I think in Italian, if I have pronounced or it not, Passione, or we would call it passion, or this is Si Passione or Passione from Giorgio Armani. It is a woman perfume, it is a fruity floral. Let's find out how does it still amuses me or not. So I have this sample, so I'm going to rip this off now, open it and test it on a strip and see if it still amuses me. So actually at that time I was really impressed that this is a very good perfume for women. So let's test this out. Where is the nozzle? So let's spray it. It's very fruity in the start, a little bit floral. It's a very elegant perfume for women, I would say that, in the start at least. It says it has rose. I think it has rose, fruity with some rose and maybe some wood. The fruity vibe or high-pitched florals are a bit disturbing to my head. Now, if I would imagine a woman wearing red dress or red lipstick or something like that, wearing this one. This is fruity, floral, just for women. I think for me, I would say that anyone above 20 years or maybe 25 to 35, that would be the age range for this one. Now it is getting better. Now it is getting darker, a bit more mature. Light powdery, light rosy, light woody, very light fruity. It is a very good perfume, very well blended, and I think it is a famous perfume, but I wanted to share my thoughts that how it actually is going to evolve and does it still have an impact on me. Although there has been many perfume copies, this scent profile is not unique. It is mostly floral, fruity, rose, light woody, and elegant perfume. But it has been copied, I think, many times by other perfumes, so it is not unique right now. But this is a very lovely scent profile. So for me, I would rate this Si Passione by Giorgio Armani to be at, if I rank the scent profile, I would say it is like 7 out of 10, not very unique or very has a lot of facets. It is a bit kind of like 3 or 4 components that are playing together, that is all. But it is a very good perfume for women. Make sure if you get headaches from high florals or perfumes like that, do not wear it in closed areas, small spaces like airplanes or something like that, because it is kind of like choking. Try to wear aromatic, fresh kind of fragrances, balsamic, these kind of fragrances, citrus fragrances when you are in planes or you are traveling with a tight space where people are sitting very close to each other. Overall, I would love it on a woman. So I am going to give it like 7 out of 10 for scent profile and performance. I think it would perform like a normal perfume, maybe 6 or 7 for performance. So for me, I think this is an average perfume, but it would suit an elegant woman. And as the red color suggests, kind of like attractive kind of feel. They have to, they try to make it attractive when a woman wears it. So that is why this color is red. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you are wearing or wore this Passione, Si Passione, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.